Welcome back to Buana's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna share an ube version of a popular Filipino delicacy. Ube Kalamay is a delicious sticky rice cake bursting with ube flavor and topped with toasted coconut milk curd. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! We will need 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 3/4 cup of ube halaya, or you can also use grated ube, 3 cans of coconut milk, 1 can will be used for the latik or the toasted coconut milk curd, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of ube extract. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. For the latik, add 1 can of coconut milk in a pan over medium heat. And using a wooden spoon, stir it until all the lumps are gone. And cook it until curds are formed. And once they are golden brown, just like this. Then, remove it from the heat and strain it. We will set aside the toasted coconut curd and the coconut oil. We will use this for the topping, and the coconut oil we will use for brushing the banana leaves and the top of the ube kalamay. In a bowl, add 1 can of the coconut milk, and the glutinous rice flour. Mix them together until well combined. Then, set this aside. In a pan over medium heat, add a 1 can of coconut milk, stir, and let it boil. And once boiling, add the ube halaya. And stir them together. Then, add the ube extract. Then, add the glutinous mixture and mix them together. And cook it over low heat, and don't forget to add the white sugar. And continue cooking until it becomes very thick. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes. And once it's very thick, just like this, and oil are forming on the pan and it's very clean, it means it's already ready. Transfer it onto a bilao lined with banana leaves greased with coconut oil. Then, brush the top with the coconut oil. Slice it. And sprinkle the toasted coconut curd. And here's our finished product! Ube Kalamay is so delicious. I hope you'll give this a try. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!